Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Look at this, I got something pretty cool from St. Nick's Knives. I got a Spyderco Para 3. It's a special edition. This guy just comes with this nice sticker right there. You get some paperworks from Spyderco stating that this is a pretty cool limited edition. It's an exclusive version of the knife. You get a leaflet and you get the box. You get this pretty cool, look at this, soft pouch which can contain your, look at this, I'm tossing it around because it's so light. This is a lightweight version of the Para 3, the classic iconic Spyderco knife, and look at that. You got some pretty cool combo. You got a black CPM 4V blade and you get a nice red colored FRN handle. Look at this detail going on over here. That's pretty cool. And this is going to be just like a little quick overview of this guy right over here. Because, you know, there's like a review already around. This is just like to show you guys what limited edition can be. Like, we're going to check the weight, which is 68.5 grams, guys. It translates into 2.42 ounces. And, of course, this is a Para 3. So the size overall is going to be 18 centimeters long with the 7.5 centimeters long blade and 6.5 for the cutting edge and 10.5 roughly for the handle. This is a compression lock. I got like a super lightweight handle which is internally skeletonized. You have of course like 4V steel, not too shabby, and this is like it comes with a variety of colors. Of course, it's a Para 3. There's plenty of options if you're into this kind of knife, but if you're into St. Nick's knives, again, you can find a plethora of Spyderco knives with that exclusive finish. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.